Hello and welcome to EcoScent. Over the two masterclass sessions in this first module, together, we will be looking at the importance of a circular supply model for sustainable manufacturing. Circular supply models are a great way to make your business more eco-friendly, as well as cut down on production costs. In this short video, we will present a brief overview of this business model and direct you at the end to where you can learn more about this topic. A circular supply model is a manufacturing model that looks at supplying fully recyclable, renewable, or biodegradable resource inputs that sustain circular production and consumption systems. The system is designed to be restorative and regenerative to move away from linear production, which uses new materials during production, and towards a circular production model which aims to reuse old materials to repurpose and eliminate waste. The point of circular supply models is to build products to last using circular supplies which are renewed each time they are repurposed. It does this by reintroducing waste into the production cycle instead of disposing products at the end of their useful life. Circular supply models are best suited to supply chains such as sourcing, manufacturing, and logistics. One form of a circular supply model is closed-loop recycling. Closed-loop recycling is a manufacturing process where manufacturers repurpose materials or products indefinitely without losing their properties. This system produces zero waste. By reusing materials over and over, manufacturers can ensure that they cut down both on manufacturing costs as well as raw materials. Closed-loop recycling also has a great impact on the environment. By limiting the number of single-use materials, especially plastics, that are produced on an annual basis, we can combat the harmful effects of waste pollution and harmful chemical emissions. Many manufacturers in every industry have moved towards a more renewable form of production to cut back on their carbon footprint, and closed-loop recycling is one major way they do so. Implementing a closed-loop recycling system into your business is a great way to cut down on both production costs and improve your carbon footprint. Making your business model more circular also improves business image, as nearly 50% of customers are more likely to purchase from a brand that is eco-conscious. With this in mind, how could you make your business more eco-friendly? Congratulations, you now understand how the circular supply model can work and how implementing a closed-loop recycling system into your business can benefit your business and the environment long-term. To find out about the other business models which are profiled in our curriculum for business owners, please visit the video library in the EcoScent MOOC.